Quizwiz is sponsored by Mega Mortgage and Financial Link. For all your mortgage needs, call 437-237-8888.
Auzubillahi minash shaitanir rajeem. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Welcome all the viewers and our Ramadan Quizwiz teams once again in another exciting episode of Ramadan Quizwiz. And we have the two teams here. Minhaj Quran is sponsored by Canadian Muslim Friend. Thank you, Shahid Mughal Bhai. I really thank you from the deep of my heart. And another one is our Arqam Oshawa team, and is sponsored is Style and Stitch. Thank you once again, Shazia Babi, for all your help, for all your support in this great journey of Ramadan Quizwiz. And we have to start our round one. You want to say before something, Zoha?
Yeah, super excited. We have our teams coming from far, far away to participate in our Ramadan Quizwiz. So let's see what we have up our sleeves today.
Okay.
Let's start with which team?
It's on you.
It's on me? Okay. Let's do team Minhaj Quran.
Okay, Minhaj Quran, are you ready?
Yes.
Little bit louder, I want to.
Yes.
Yes, that's the exciting one. And I want to start with Simra and Aiza. Okay? Computer, bring the first question for Simra and Aiza.
How many surahs or chapters are there in the Quran?
How many?
114. 114.
114. That's the correct answer. Well done, Simra. You are
You
good.
knew that one. So quick.
Mashallah, so quick. Okay. So the next question for Minahil and Rahim. Computer, bring the next question, please.
Who are those people with whom Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala was pleased and they were pleased with him as mentioned in the Quran?
Very good question. And
Prophet Muhammad's companions of Prophet Muhammad. Peace be upon him.
are you sure?
Yeah.
You want to think, you want to suggest?
Companions.
Companions? Okay, let's see the right answer, please. Companion of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam is the right answer. Good job, Rahim. I know that you have the answer. You have to talk with your team members before giving the answers. This time I gave you. Next time I'm not allowing you, okay? You have to little bit think. I know that you answer Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, but you didn't read the companion of Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, right? Okay, be careful next time. Okay, now more questions goes to
The next question.
Arqam
Yep.
Oshawa, and I want to start with Maris and Isa. Computer, bring the first question, please.
How many ruku or paragraphs are there in the Quran?
How many rukus and paragraphs are there in the Quran?
540.
540 is the right answer. MashaAllah, that's a correct. Aris, you did a good job. MashaAllah. Let's bring the next question for Afan and Bazin. What is the scale or measure of one's dignity according to the Quran? What is the scale and the measure of one's dignity according to the Quran? Yes, please.
Taqwa.
Taqwa, that's the right answer. Yes, Islam is not judge people on the basis of wealth, financial position, or the worldly positions. Islam only judge, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala judge the people. The best people are the one who are more pious, having taqwa as well. Right answer, guys, okay? Okay, now we are in the round two.
Quizwiz is sponsored by Mega Mortgage and Financial Link. For all your mortgage needs, call 437-237-8888.
Okay, let us start the now round two with Arqam, and I want to start with Bazin.
Okay.
Okay, computer, bring the question for Bazin, please.
What is the purpose of war in Islam? Is it for land? Is it for people or resources? Is it for glory and fame? Or is it to elevate the name of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala?
4. To elevate the name of Allah.
4 is the right answer. So Islam only fight to elevate the name of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. We didn't start any quarrel or any fighting. That's not allowed in Islam. Unless and until we have to elevate the name of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. That's the only condition, okay? Now the second question for Affan. Computer, bring the next question for Affan, please.
The munafiqeen, or the hypocrites, had a disease of the eyes, mind, heart, or eyes. Select the
Ears.
right one.
Yeah.
Mind, second one.
Mind? That's the wrong answer. Heart is the right answer and you make the mistakes. So the munafiqeen, hypocrite, had a disease of heart, not in the mind. That's why heart is a very important position, very important element in our life. Because hearts make a lot of decisions. Heart and mind work together. But heart, where is our iman, is actually there. Heart is the one which is having the emotions, right? And many things there. So heart is a very important thing. So that's why munafiqeen, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala mentioned the munafiqeen have the disease in their heart. That's why they not accept the message of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. So computer, bring the next question for Isa, please.
Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala gave an example of which creation to guide the believers and misguide the disbelievers. Select the right answer. Was it 1, a bee, 2, a mosquito, 3, a hornet, or 4, a wasp?
3, a hornet.
3 hornets is the wrong answer, a mosquito. That's the Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala mentioned in the Quran. That Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala want to give a very small example, right? And that's like the mosquito. So that's the wrong answer. You have to, you're not prepared well today, buddy. It looks like to me. Okay, next question for RS, please.
Where is Al-Anam revealed? Was it in Makkah or was it in Medina?
Medina.
Option 1, Makkah.
Option 1, Makkah is the right answer. MashaAllah, RS, Bazan, they are well prepared today. I saw that. You gave your both answer correct. And MashaAllah, the team get the good points. Now, Minhaj al-Quran, you have another opportunity. They have 2 wrong answers. And if you give all the 4 answers right, you win this episode as well. Right? Okay, let's start with Simra. Simra, are you ready? Start with a great journey, right? Great journey of success today. Okay, computer, bring the first question for Simra, please.
In the Quran, shaitan is a what?
A jinn.
A jinn, that's the correct answer. Okay, so the next question for Aiza, please. Computer, bring the next question for Aiza, please.
What did the hypocrites do? Select the right answer. Did they openly reject Islam? Did they secretly accept Islam? Or did they openly pretend to accept Islam but then secretly reject it?
They openly pretend to accept Islam, but they secretly reject it.
That's the correct answer. MashaAllah, Aiza, you gave a good answer. MashaAllah, well prepared. Well prepared. Okay, next question to Minahil, please. Computer, bring the next question from Minahil, please.
What is the reward for those who have taqwa? Select the right answer. So is it 1, paradise? Is it 2, house with a swimming pool and well-behaved children? Or is it 3, warm weather all year round?
Answer 1, paradise.
Answer 1 is the paradise, is the right answer. Okay, Rahim, the pressure goes to you, man. You have to give the answer, okay? Okay, computer, bring the question for Rahim, please.
How many parts was chapter on Anam revealed in? Was it 7, 20, 1, or 4?
3, 1.
Huh?
3.
1, that's the correct answer. How many parts of chapter Anam revealed in it? And that is 1, and that's correct. And the result is very open, right? You know that? All the questions given is correct by the Minhaj al-Quran team. Very well prepared. Well done, good job. Good job, guys. And the other team, we have Al-Arqam is at 8 points. 2 mistakes, you guys make it. Guys, you still have the journey. You still have matches. You have to work hard. 4 teams will qualify for the semi-final. So you have to make sure you have one of the 4 position to reach out to the semi-final as well. You still have the chance, okay? And inshallah ta'ala, we'll come back again tomorrow with another exciting episode. Thank you once again to Style and Stitch, and thank you Canadian Muslim friend for sponsoring our teams in Ramzan Quiz Wiz. Inshallah, we will meet, me and Zohar, but come back again tomorrow. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Quizwiz is sponsored by Mega Mortgage and Financial. For all your mortgage needs, call 437 237 8888.